Alright, so today we are going to talk about the cheap and thrifty way to pack your suitcase. But first things first, did you know that they have apps to assist you in packing? I didn't know that. So, apparently they have lovely apps that you can share with your travel buddies to coordinate your outfit and things you need to pack. For example, let's say you guys are going hiking or something like that, and you have on your packing list what you think are all the essentials, but then when you share it with your travel buddy, they're like, hey, you forgot to put your boots on there. So I think packing apps are really, they come in handy. But back to what the topic is, finding and packing things the thrifty way. So, looking at this lovely bag, you would never guess where I got it from. Walmart for only $24.99. I have been on the search looking for a carry-on bag that just fits my style and my requirements for storage. And guess what? I found it at Walmart for only $24.99. On Amazon, it was like $34 was the closest I could get that matched it. These lovely things that you're looking at are packing cubes. I've been going back and forth on the packing cube thing, but I found these lovely gems on Amazon for $5.99. Now, the reviews were kind of but I'm always a person of, hey, one person's review may not be the same for me. And I don't know if they got their act together, but these have been staying intact and their zippers are amazing. I like them, so they work for me. I haven't tried them yet, but we'll see. So I do plan on going to Walt Disney World, and everyone's been talking about Magic Band, Magic Band, Magic Band. Well, I just don't think that's for me, considering I'm not staying at the resort. So I found this cute little ID badge holder for like, I think it was $7.99. And whenever you don't buy a Magic Band, they do give you like a card that you can swipe that has access to your tickets. So I'm just going to use that. Another thrifty thing that I decided to do is, yes, I would love to wear the cute little expensive ears, but why? I found these at Walmart for $6.99, and they're cute. And then another thrifty choice is check on Etsy. A good thing that you can do to save money on travel is, hey, Christmas list, birthday list, put things that you would like to receive. I put that I really, really wanted a fanny pack on all of my lists, and my mom decided, hey, I found this cute little Harry Potter themed one, and she bought it for me for I think it was for Christmas last year. And guess where I'm taking it? To Universal Studios Hollywood, Hogwarts. Another thing that you can find on Amazon, yes, everyone talks about Beats or whatever, or AirPods. I found these sound canceling earphones on Amazon for like, I think $10.99. I tried them out, and they're perfect because they block out all sound and they have great bass. I always tend to travel when it's raining, so I was like, enough is enough. I'm going to purchase an umbrella, especially after getting stuck in the rain in DC a couple years ago. I bought this last year. It's small, it fits in my fanny pack, and it came in super handy whenever I needed it in Boston because it was in my satchel. Bam, started raining, pulled it out. Another thing that I found on Amazon is this beautiful Minnie Mouse visor. It was like only, I think, $13.99. So I was like, another thing, instead of buying expensive ears, is look, I get to wear a visor that keeps me out of the sun from getting sunburnt. And it's a switch up, so I'm not always wearing ears because I'm not really a headband person. Another thing that I found and that I love are foldable things. Things that you can grab just in case. Like this beautiful backpack is waterproof, durable, the zipper's nice, and again, it is foldable. So let's say you're out exploring and you want to be hands-free, and you said, hey, I want to buy this souvenir, but I still want to be hands-free, and all I have is a satchel. Guess what? This fits in your satchel. You can still buy the souvenir. You can still be hands-free because you can just sit there, put your souvenir in the backpack, put your satchel in the backpack, bam, hands-free, continue exploring. Nothing is all messed up. It has great straps. Again, I purchased it a couple months ago, so we'll see the true durability. But, I mean, I've shook it, rolled it, tumbled on it, and seems to be really good fabric. And this was only, if I remember correctly, about $12.99 on Amazon. Again, I purchased it because it's foldable, and I love being hands-free, and I'm a big what-if person. What if it rains? What if I buy this? What if I buy that? And then also, so let's say you have an awesome travel buddy. He's like, hey, I'll carry the souvenirs today. You can put your backpack away. Then guess what? Put it on back in the pocket. Put it back in your satchel. Go back hands-free. Love your bestie or your travel buddy, whoever's with you, and keep it pushing. Again, it's small, waterproof, and look at that. Slides right in the satchel. Another thing that I learned the hard way is sometimes you got to spend that extra $2. I bought a toiletry bag last year. It ripped. It was like $5 off of Amazon. It ripped. I bought this one for like $10.99, excuse me. And so far I'm in love with it. It has all of the same compartments and storage requirements that my other one had, but it's a little bit bigger, and I could just tell by the way it was made in the fabric, it's not made from cheap stuff. So I think this one's not going to tear on me. And for me, I'm always trying out things before the trip, because I hate it when I try things out and then I take it on a trip, it rips. So the fact that when I buy stuff, I seriously put stuff in it, put things that I would pack, shake it, throw my suitcase around, and be like, all right, is everything still intact? Smush it, everything's still intact. Cool, goodbye. I'm ready for my trip whenever it comes. And plus, it's cute. I mean, look at it. It's cute. Another thing that I bought was a foldable wash bag. Some people use trash bags, grocery bags, the hotel trash bags, the hotel laundry bags. But I've used those and it tears. And then your clean clothes mixed with your dirty clothes. And then you're sad because you have to do extra laundry. But I used this in Boston this past summer and I loved it. I had all my dirty clothes in there from each and every day. And then guess what? I put it in my suitcase and I flew home. When I got home, I emptied it in my hamper. It was perfect. Speaking of being clean, I am a germaphobe. So this beautiful thing is a black light. It detects urine, other fluids, and just gross stuff and germy stuff and gross stuff. And it works. I know because I tested it in my house and then I tested it outside. Yeah, outside's dirty. Another thing you can get is instead of buying a whole bug spray bottle, you could buy one for a big bottle of bug spray for the summer and then pour a little bit in here for your trip. When you go out or whatever, spray it on your body, bam, saving money, and you're protected by all the lovely insects that come out during the summertime. All nationwide or countrywide. This is actually my old pink lemonade mix canister, and because I use protein shakes and stuff like that, I was like, I want to continue that while I'm on my vacation. So, bam. And a lot of places do come with safes, but guess what? They have these cute little personal lock boxes at Walmart for like I think $10. I got this one on clearance for $6. But yeah, you can have your own personal lockbox that nobody knows about. Yeah, hotels and Airbnbs come with lockboxes, but this one, it's your personal one. So you can hide your expensive or your personal things in there, and then it's only you know about it. This is a cute little bottle I found at Ross for like $3.99. Sometimes I don't even want to use the cups that come with hotels because I'm like, ew, it's dirty. So I don't really know how clean it is. So I sometimes take my own bottles to drink out of and wash myself just to be on the super safe side. I know I'm weird. Another thing are these beautiful rolling space savers. Instead of using a vacuum, you could put all your stuff in there neatly folded and ironed. And then guess what? Sit on it. All the air gets sucked out of it. And you have extra space. And you can actually put them in your packing cubes. The fact that I'm a germaphobe, I really don't like showers in Airbnbs, so I'm always buying like Dollar Tree flip-flops to use in the shower, but I found these on clearance. The best thing to do is shop summer clearances for the following summer. These were only $2.50. They were originally $6. They're thicker, and I plan on using them as my travel shower shoes, so that way my feet do not have to touch the shower at all. More packing cubes. These were $12.99. These were the first packing cubes I bought because I wasn't sure really if I would use packing cubes, but the more vlogs I watch, I'm just kind of understanding a bit more of the efficiency and why they're so useful. These are a little bit more expensive. They're $12.99 for 3, and I like them because they have the little cute labels on the front with the suggestions on what you should pack in here. So I thought that was really cute. Again, if I like them, I'll probably invest in an actual full set and then donate these to somebody else or give them to a fellow traveler. And then last but not least, my new suitcase. I know on a previous episode or video, whatever you want to call these lovely things that I create, I did say that I prefer hardcovers, but I had a long talk with my lovely sister, and she explained, hey, one of the best things about soft covers is they can stretch because they're fabric. Hardcovers do not stretch like soft covers because they're hardcovers. They have a certain capacity, but like everybody knows, with fabric, you can stretch out fabric. So, I mean, worst case scenario, if I'm really concerned about things being broken, I can pack extra towels, extra soft stuffs to wrap around things, or I could just put those fragile things in my carry-on and just keep them with me. Yeah, I found that lovely cute tag for $1 at Dollar Tree. One thing that I love to do is whenever I get free airplane blankets, I like to customize them to become my own personal travel blankets. I made one for my best friend for this past summer's trip. This one's mine, and I decided to use mine kind of like a quilt, if you will, to put all the patches of places that I've gone. So hopefully one day, if I'm able to, I will cover my whole blanket with my travels and patches. But that's one thing I love to do as a keepsake, as a souvenir that is a space-saving souvenir, is find patches, and then when I get home after my trip, I iron them. So I hope this video shows you some thrifty ways to pack where you're not spending a lot of money. I did screenshot some of my orders that were featured in this video to show you more accurate pricing, not guesstimates. Some of the things are currently unavailable, so hopefully you can find something similar that fits your particular needs. Like I said, I always shop for my particular needs, my budget, what I can afford at the time, and or I share it with, like I said, families and friends for Christmas gifts to hopefully get them. But like I said, here are some of the things that were featured in this video that I'm sharing with you guys, and I hope you found all this information useful. I hope it gave you some ideas on what to do thrifty for your trip to save money. And again, take the trip, have some fun, subscribe.